Hi! For today's video, I will show you another week in my life. On this day, I bought some groceries for myself, good for 1 week. Because this week, I'll be going home. After arranging my groceries, I studied because I have quiz in the evening. For my merienda, I made an iced coffee and bought some kikiam. I passed the quiz. On this day, I just stayed inside my dorm and studied again because I have another quiz in the evening. I passed the quiz again. And for my skincare, I use Glutasy toner because it's alcohol-free. Another day, this is my breakfast. I only eat rice once a day. But of course, I drink coffee twice a day. I also love playing Call of Duty, sometimes with my boyfriend and sometimes I play alone. After playing, I saw my MedTech kit, so I organized it. These are the capillary tubes. This purple top tube is the ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, which acts as an anticoagulant. The red top tube is used for serology and chemistry testing. The blue top tube contains sodium citrate. Green top tube contains lithium heparin. This is the two-way needle. Dry and wet cottons and baby lancet. These are my 5cc syringes, soap container, and microscope slides. Filming a TikTok video, daming time. For my merienda, I bought banana Q and soft drink. In the evening, I organized my clothes while listening to Taylor Swift's songs. On this day, I had Coco Crunch and milk for my breakfast. My friends and I had chicken for our dinner. After eating our dinner, we went to 7-Eleven near our dorm. I'm with Loy and Laika. On this day, we had McDonald's for our breakfast. In the afternoon, I had my online recollection. And after, I studied again. On this day, I'm with my boyfriend. We were craving for fries and wedges, so we went to the grocery store to buy some. And after, we went to the next mall to eat breakfast. We had mang inasal.
Too much? 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love.
And after, we went to their house.
This could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase.
This is Dylan. On this day, I'll be going home. We were on our way to Ecoland Terminal.
is contagious. always seems to make my day. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said.
He cooked wedges for my baon. I bought bibingka for my grandparents.
Too much. 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park.
And I'm finally home. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye!